The Supreme Court has ruled that sedition trials can resume 4 years after an interim stay was imposed in 2022. Trials are allowed to proceed where the accused does not object to their continuation. The news is significant because the interim stay on sedition trials under IPC Section 124A has been in effect since May 2022. This particular case involves a petitioner who has been incarcerated for 17 years. The SC stated that if the accused does not object to the continuation of the trial, appeal, or any other proceeding under Section 124A IPC, courts can decide such matters on merits and in accordance with law. Section 124A was added to the Indian Penal Code in 1870. Its validity was upheld in the Kedar Nath Singh case in 1962. It was stayed by the Supreme Court in 2022 and is replaced by BNS Section 152 in 2024. Trials may resume in 2026 if there is no objection. Section 124A, a colonial-era provision, punishes acts bringing hatred or contempt against the government of India with life imprisonment or up to 3 years plus a fine. It is non-bailable, cognizable, and non-compoundable. In Kedar Nath Singh v. State of Bihar in 1962, the SC upheld the constitutional validity of Section 124A but narrowed its scope, ruling that only acts with the intention or tendency to create public disorder amount to sedition. Mere criticism is not sedition. In the S.G. Vombatkere case of May 2022, the SC ordered a stay on all pending trials and proceedings under 124A and directed the center and states to refrain from registering new FIRs. This was done to balance state security and the civil liberties of citizens. Section 152 of BNS, the successor to S 124A IPC, deals with acts endangering sovereignty and is effective from July 1, 2024. The maximum punishment remains life imprisonment. Remember key points for your exam. Section 124A was added in 1870. Kedar Nath upheld its validity, but narrowed the scope. The May 2022 stay involved the S.G. Vombatkere case. The 2026 ruling allows trials to resume if there is no objection. BNS Section 152 replaces sedition. Article 19(1)(a) relates to freedom of speech. Question 1. Section 124A of the Indian Penal Code dealt with which offense? The options are treason, sedition, defamation, and contempt of court. Question 2. In which landmark case did the Supreme Court uphold the constitutional validity of the sedition law while narrowing its scope? Choose from the options shown on the screen. Question 3. Sedition under the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 is covered under which section? Review the options and provide your answer. Question 4. Consider the statements regarding Section 124A. Was it part of the original IPC in 1860? And was the 2022 stay led by CJI v. Ramana? Select the correct option. Question 5. Restrictions on the freedom of speech, Article 19(1)(a), including for sedition-like offenses, are imposed under which provision? Choose from the constitutional articles provided. Here is the answer key to review your performance. Q1 is B, Q2 is B, Q3 is C, Q4 is B, and Q5 is A. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Informatics Daily for daily current affairs at 7 a.m.